Hello guys, welcome to another video of this platform. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use CapCut Pro features for free. This is not a crack or a hack, and moreover, you don't need to log in order to do this. So far at this point, this can only be done on a PC. As a content creator, I know the difficulty that comes with changing different software programs for your work, especially video editors. And personally, I've gone through 3 video editors, and these are Movavi, Filmora, and currently CapCut, even though I'm still using Filmora most of the times. And this will save a lot of creators a lot of money. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Assuming you've already downloaded the application and you're using it, go ahead and open it. Then create a new project. Then import your files into CapCut. Drag the files to the timeline. So in my case, I'm going to cut this one, right, so that I can shorten it to at least 10 seconds. From there, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Then from there, I need to import a few stickers. I'm going to use mostly stickers that you can find under the Pro banner. But currently, as you can see, most of them are not labeled. This is because there's kind of like a promo where you use Pro features for free, but again, you can't export them, and you will see why at the end. So I'm going to use the Pro text. Import those into my timeline. So you can use any other Pro elements. And then after that, I'll try to export them. As you can see, I'm not able to do that. This is because I have to pay in order to use some Pro features. But again, we are not going to go that way. We are going to use a certain workaround in order to get our video. So here's where the real process starts. So make sure that you pay attention. The first thing to do is to highlight all our clips and all the elements. Then the next thing to do is to create a company clip. And to do that, position your cursor on any of these elements and left click. This will put together all your clips into one clip. And then I'll play it. Hello guys, welcome to another video of this platform. Right now, today I want to share with you something that is actually very important. I don't actually who needs to hear. As you can see, those elements are now showing on my video. The next step is crucial because this is how we generate our video. Position your cursor again on the compact clip, right click it, and then pre-process the compound clip. So this will begin to process the entire clip, as you can see. Then once done, make sure that you take note of the name of the project that we are working on. In this case, is 08052. This will be crucial in the next steps. After doing that, minimize CapCut. And then go to the desktop and locate the CapCut icon. Then right click it. And then go to Open File Location. When you are here, go to the CapCut folder. Or you can actually use this arrow to go to the CapCut folder. In my case, I'll just click on the folder itself. And then go to User Data. Then go to Projects. Then go to the second folder named iVid Editor Draft. Now, remember the name of the file that we're working on. that is 08052. Locate that folder, and this is the file. Click on it, then go to resources, and then go to combination, and this is where you will find our video. In this case, it is the first video. Now you can actually copy that video and paste it on another folder or your preferred folder. So in this case, we're just going to open it and play it so that you can see for yourself. Hello guys, welcome to another video of this platform. Right now, today I want to share with you something that is actually very important. I don't actually who needs to hear. So this is the video with the exact pro features that we used on CapCut. So I'm going to close this one. Now, in order to make your life a little bit simpler, you can actually create a shortcut with the folder so that you don't have to go through the entire process. And right click on iVideo Editor Draft and then send to desktop and create a shortcut. And then close the file. Now, if you go to the desktop, you will see that folder. All you have to do is to simply click on the folder and open it. Then from there, you can actually locate the folders that you will be working on. Even though you might need to go through a few steps, but again, this is actually better than going through the entire process each and every time. So as you can see, you now have just to open a few folders. So guys, that is how you can take advantage of this workaround to make your videos using CapCut Pro and actually using their pro features. So thank you for watching this video, and until then, see you in the next one.